What he said.
Wallace family, Wallace family, Wallace family. It's the Wallace family.
Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy.
Wallace family, Wallace family, Wallace family. It's the Wallace family.
Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy.
What's up, you? So back at it again with another video, man. You already know what it is. It's your boy Joe,
And it's RISMA.
and we back at it again with another video. Before we even get into the video, man, go ahead and press that thumbs up button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already.
And hit that post notification bell. So we are eating again. And it looked like I got the same clothes on, but I don't. It's just I got on a black shirt again.
So if you on her Instagram, you saw that we posted. Did you post it on her Instagram, or was it just your Instagram? The Tame Beef.
Oh, that was just my Instagram.
So she posted on her Instagram like
What is Italian? I posted a picture of Italian beef, and nobody knew what it was because a lot of my followers are from Georgia and stuff, and they didn't know. All of them said it was a Philly cheesesteak, but it's not. It's Italian beef, and we found a place down here in Georgia that sell them called Southside Chicago Barbecue, and they sell the Italian beef. So we are eating Italian beef. We ain't gotta wait till we go to Chicago to eat Italian beef no more.
Sit down. Sit down.
Pour-
She
you
got
can pour
some in there.
How much?
You got this amount.
Okay, that's good. Let me know when you want
Oh
some more.
God, they drenched this.
You got it? Where you can sit down? Yeah, it's drenched. Right. We gotta get a thumbnail. And I got, so mine is, both of ours is dipped well with hot peppers. Ooh. We should have asked them if they had plates. Or I should have bought some paper plates. And mine's got nacho cheese on it, because I like the nacho cheese.
Good. So
I can't even get mine open.
I'm trying to get a.
Hold on, Jordan.
Y'all see that? Oh, yeah, y'all see that?
There we go.
I'm trying to get it at the light.
Just, you gotta press the bottom.
Oh. So this is my Italian beef.
And this is mine. Oh,
So
sorry guys.
so she got nacho cheese.
Oh,
She got nacho cheese,
I got nacho cheese.
and I got.
I'm gonna take a picture on my phone so that way I can have it at the bottom of the thumbnail so y'all can see it better.
You got hot peppers on yours?
Nope, they didn't put no pepper.
I told them hot peppers. Let's just see. Yeah, I told them January peppers.
Well, I definitely want pepper.
You know what I'm saying? I got a lot. No. Take that right there.
Y'all, we trying to get it together. They didn't put no peppers on my stuff.
So usually when you go, you just order Italian beef dip well with hot peppers and cheese. But I like my Italian beef soggy dip, like really dip well where it's almost a lot of juice, you know what I'm saying, on it. And I like to get mozzarella cheese at the on the top, and then American cheese at the bottom.
Yeah, so we using our phone to record today.
We forgot the camera.
We forgot the camera, but we wanted to get this. So this is enough talking. I'm gonna start eating. But I was gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna add some pictures so y'all can really see it to the video. And my camera is so damn dirty.
Hey, you wanna take pictures?
Why is my camera dirty? I know that's nasty, guys. Okay. Okay, so I'll show that picture so you guys can really see. I don't even know how I can bite mine.
It's like, it's so wet that I'm trying to pull it up so y'all can see me eat it. Okay, there we go. I'll hold it like this.
This is very hard.
This boy like a burrito.
Yeah.
Okay, so now y'all.
It's good, Mama, Dada.
I freaking got juice all over my face. Literally. Cheese everywhere.
This boy hip.
They definitely put extra cheese. I'm mad I didn't get no peppers because I don't have no pepper juice. Like, I know it's all over my mouth.
It's good, Mama, Dada.
Let me get it up close and personal
It's
for
good,
y'all.
Mama, Dada. Whoa. Whoa, Mama, Dada.
Come right here so they can see. I'm gonna get this could be our thumbnail. This is definitely messy, but so good.
See, this is something you want to eat on the
Here's the
table.
hair. Yeah, I didn't know because last time it wasn't this messy.
I told them soap.
It's too hot.
Yeah, see, I'm mad because I don't
It's
taste no
too
hotness
hot.
at all because the juice not there.
It's too hot.
It's too hot.
No, she's saying no.
Oh, the Italian beef.
Her
Oh
mom
yeah,
not
she needs to
hot.
come to yours. Let me see if I can. Okay, so y'all see it dripping? Like it's dripping.
It's dripping a lot. I might say the rest of this because
It should be a lot.
Let me try it this way.
I have that one. Mama, I have that one. Rick,
cool.
Dada.
I'm so mad that they didn't put hot peppers because
Rick, Dada.
when they put the hot peppers, the juice of the hot peppers
Mm-hmm.
be on there. So it
I
got that
got
little
some. I got
spice.
some juice right here.
It's probably not hot pepper though.
Mm-hmm.
I only need a little bit. That is not hot pepper juice.
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's good.
Juice.
So like I said,
Dada.
I usually get mine like his, but I like the nacho cheese.
Hold on.
Oh, it's noodles. Oh.
Yeah.
Girl, what you talking about noodles? We've been telling everybody down here that they need to go to Chicago and get Italian beef, get the Chicago pizza,
I like butter.
and water.
Have y'all ever had Italian beef before?
Comment down below if you had Italian beef.
Or have you ever heard of it? See, this boy fire. They got some Italian beef with like the Italian sausage in it. Whereas the Italian, you ain't never had the Italian beef and the the Italian sausage be at the bottom of it.
That sounds like a lot.
Yeah, it is. You'll get full off half a beef.
Dude, I'm getting full now.
You're so big. You're here.
My hair's so heavy.
It is
We
that.
probably gonna have to get Jaylani some nuggets or something.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh wow, you broke it? You want
Yeah.
another bite? Ooh. You love it? So yeah, so ooh. This gonna be one smacking burping video.
That's what we're gonna name it. Italian beef smack and burper.
You team Dada? Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, them hot peppers hit different on the Italian beef.
Do you taste the juice on there or no?
Not really. Y'all, I'm almost done.
Mama, Dada, and 9.
This video is definitely more eating than talking, which is okay. Even though she been talking the whole video.
That was good.
Yeah, I'm almost done, but we can. You wanna end the video?
Do you do you drink Mountain Dew? No.
What?
Put it down.
When have you ever seen me eating Mountain Dew? I mean,
Let me bite
drinking.
yours.
Fat people always want to taste of somebody else's
I'm just
stuff.
trying to see like how the nacho cheese do it. Like, does it taste?
You tasted mine last time.
Oh, well, I'm gonna just taste this one. I just want to look. Cause I fed a lot to her.
So what? People can't never just eat their own food and call it a day.
Oh, food.
Always gotta eat somebody else's food.
Yeah.
Can't never just be satisfied.
So you want this Pepsi or
Wait,
you?
what the hell they got?
So you want this Pepsi?
I'm not gonna drink a whole thing. I'm just gonna sip. I don't know who you got Mountain Dew for.
Hot.
Huh.
It's super, super hot.
Okay, just bite before it be gone. And mine's not super, super hot.
Y'all know how y'all eat something so good and then you drink something with a lot of acid in it. It just.
I'm gonna say that for that.
I want to Roger.
We don't got no water. Wait, I'm gonna look. Wait. Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
There you go.
Here we go.
That was good.
That's
Dang.
enough. All right, y'all. Finna get up out of here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. That's enough. We hope you guys like this video. Go try Italian beef.
Whoa.
We love y'all.
Thank Dada. How Dada do it? How he sure do it?
Come on, say the end.
But he sure
Boy,
do
after you
it.
eat something good, boy, you ready to go sleep, boy. I swear, boy.
I go see.
Y'all irritated.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for clicking on this
Woo!
video. Your breath stink.
Come on.
Thank y'all for
Stop
clicking
talking about people's breath.
Thank y'all for clicking on this video, man. We love y'all. Keep God in your heart. Keep love in your heart. With that being said, Wallace family out. Peace.